So this is just a short video to show you how we keep dust out of our caravan when we're travelling down a dusty road. So we normally use these pieces of cardboard that we just put tape around, and we put this one down on the door.
I've taped up some of the vents just to try and eliminate some of the dust inside. Hopefully it works. If not, just have to do a bit of a clean up when we get there. I did the door too, so we'll see what happens.
So I decided to do something a little bit more permanent so that we don't find ourselves saying, oh no, she'll be right, and then suddenly you find out that you've gone about 3 k's down a dusty road, your caravan's full of dust. So what I've done here is I've got some 10mm C-section aluminium, and I've actually glued that around the frame, making sure that I've left the holes here for the screws still to go back in. I've actually put 2 bigger screws in the top here to hold any weight. I made myself a board to actually go in here. The board's actually got Velcro on the top edge, and then you've got the other piece of Velcro cut to go along there. So basically this just slides straight in like that, and it's in that easy. I had a bit of left over the C-section, so I've actually been able to make a handle. What I used for the actual board was, there's about 2.5–3mm board. It's just like a chipboard type thing, but it needs to be sprayed with paint. The paint that I use is Rust-Oleum, 2x cover, and the beauty there is it's actually for plastic as well. So I actually use that a fair bit when I'm actually touching up my battery boxes, even my drawbar. I use that all the time, and it seems to do a really good job. And got that from Bunnings. And then around the other side here, oh, by the way, the glue I actually used for the C-section first was the Sally's Power Grip. Put that around first, and then I just thought that it needed, it goes on pretty strong there, it needed a bit more strength. So what I've done is run a bead of glue gun either side there and along the bottom there, so it actually gives it a really good strong hold. What I did was actually, when it was off, gave it another spray with my Rust-Oleum black matte spray, so really you can't even tell that bracket's on there. So when we come around this side, oh, by the way, there's my new custom made tyre and rubbish bag. We'll talk more about that in another video. So what I've done here is I've just got some of that double-sided Velcro tape. I've run the tape around. I've decided to actually put it on the inside. It means that this gets dirty, but that's quite easy to take off and wash. I've cut this piece of rubber, and that's about 2.5mm, 3mm rubber, and I've actually put Velcro on that as well. So basically, this then just sticks straight onto here, like that, and that'll keep your dust out. Make sure you only put that on dusty roads. It's not meant to be on when you're camping or using your oven. On the inside in here, I've done similar. So because I've got the white here, I've used white Velcro, and I've got my black cover that just goes straight over there, and that just stops all the dust going in. So the only other one that we've done is down here, and that's just the same up here. So they can come off when we get into camp. They can go back on, and yep, Bob's your own.